Welcome to rural Harvey, North Dakota, where the nearest STEM lab is an hour 20-minute drive. Let's enter the caution zone, aka the Hardworking Creators Lab. We have started with a blank slate in this room, and with the help of our custodians and our committee, we have visions of green screens, Promethean boards, workbenches and storage, more storage, Lego tables, more storage.
As my colleague mentioned, we are a small rural school, and if we win the Infy Maker grant, a significant portion of the money will be utilized towards purchasing items that will help our students learn computer science concepts hands-on, such as programmable robots and drones, microcontrollers like Arduino and Raspberry Pi, Finch robots that the lower grades can use to learn computer science concepts as well. And a portion of the Infy Maker grant will also be used to train our teachers, because computer science and maker concepts are technical and our teachers are not very well versed in these. So training them will empower them to continue this program moving forward. In conclusion, if we win this award, it will greatly help us reduce the digital divide faced by our students in our little rural community.